Welcome back to Kinops. In this video, I'd like to talk about unstructured or ad hoc tasks and processes. It's very common for you to get a request that's unusual, a one-time request, or perhaps a request that you want to have part of a process built, but are not sure what the steps are. So let's take a look at what Kinops can do for you. So here, as an example, I have a fairly vague pest control request. It's come into the facilities group. It's not something we get very often, so I'd like to kind of document the process in case it happens again. First thing I need to do is grab it, so it's assigned to me. And now, instead of just working it and doing something, I can add some unstructured or ad hoc tasks to it. We have two generally that are available. The first is an ad hoc approval, where perhaps I need to spend money to have an exterminator come. So I'm going to say need exterminator and a due date of this Friday. I'm going to assign it to myself just so we can see the task process quickly. Obviously not something you do in a real situation. So here we'll create the approval. And I should see under the filter for mine, here's the ad hoc approval that's available for me. So I'm going to work it, and we'll just approve it right away so we can see the process on its way. So please proceed. Okay. And now if I come back to my initial pest control here, I can see here's my completed approval, and now I could either work it here and call the exterminator and go from there, or perhaps I have another ad hoc task I'd like to have added to it. So we'll select an ad hoc task, very similar to an approval. We just have a little bit more information. Once again, I'm going to assign this to myself just so we can see the process going. So I'll have send someone to look at environments. So I want to send somebody down to the mailroom to check out what's going on there. And we'll have that be due before the exterminator is supposed to be on their way. Double check for food or other items. Create the task. And now I can see here under my process that I've got a record of what's being done and the different ad hoc tasks and the different things that are being asked of me or whoever these are assigned to within the system. So now I can either work this ad hoc task, or perhaps I need to get some more information back from the original submitter. Maybe I need approval to get permission to access that building. Maybe that's a secure location, or start a discussion. All of these options are available to you as you work through that process. So here I'm just going to work it. Say visited mailroom. Looks fine. Mark it as complete. Looks good to me. Okay. And now we'll be waiting on the inspector to see what they have to say and continuing the process from there. So hopefully this helps you get a look at what ad hoc tasks and ad hoc approvals are for, and you can start corralling all of those unknown processes or building up some more efficient processes for your own organization. Have a great day, and as always, you can get more information at help.kinops.io. Thank you.